guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to review a Loreal studio line. This one is the extreme hold. You know, they say 48 hours indestructible gel. So this is what I wanted to review today. You guys can see. Okay, so I got this at Clicks, and I've seen a lot of videos on the got to be glued that you get to put on your hair and it lets your hair stay there for like whole 4 days. I think that's the maximum that I've seen for the got to be glue hair. So I was like, I couldn't order it from Amazon or like okay, so around is a bit expensive, so Amazon had it cheaper, but for some reason I couldn't ship it to South Africa. But I didn't go to it and still find out which way I can ship, so I didn't do that. So I just decided to go to Clicks and pick my it says 48 hours indestructible gel. Okay, so I'm gonna see if it actually works because I need my hair, my wig. Hey guys, so what I'm doing right now is just basically taking my gel and applying it in front of my hairlines. So you don't want the gel to be stuck on your hair, so that it might pull out your hair, and we don't want that. So you put right in front of your hairline so it doesn't mess with your edges. And then don't apply too much gel and not too little either. So we needed to have like a nice paste because we're going to apply the second coat later on. All you do now at this stage is just take a blow dryer and blow it for like 10 minutes, a good 10 minutes, and then feel if it's sticky, and then you get to add your second coat. While you're doing that, adding your second coat, also feel how tacky it's getting. So as tacky as is the glue, as tacky as what am I saying? As tacky is the glue is going to be, then that's good. Then we apply again the blow dryer to drying it, and then on our second coat, so it can be very nice and thick, and then we can apply the weave. Okay. So this morning I tried it, and I wanted to see how long it's really gonna last. Is it really indestructible as they say? And it was my graduation today, so I wanted my wig. It was my graduation today, and I wanted my wig to stay out because when I had this wig made, I feel like the cap got a bit small or something like that, and then like every time I put it on, then the wig moves, you know, it like moves, like it goes back. So I put in Indestructible glue because I wanted the wig to stay in place, because nobody gonna have time to be moving and fixing their hair. You know how graduations is. If you don't know, it's just basically a long process. Okay, you just have to go step to step, and you just have to have everything on point, and there's not gonna be no mirrors there. So I have to have everything in order. So I tried Indestructible glue, and I just want to give you a review. Right now, as it looks like it's still strong. I'm pulling it out, but it's like, okay, so the hair
laid, guys. So this glue, I did exactly what I said I was gonna do, and I'm so proud of it. Like, I cannot wait to be rocking it every day. And guys, don't you think my hair looks slick? Like, it just looks so beautiful. I love it. I love it a lot. I love it a lot. Okay, so I was able to keep my wig on for the whole day. Nothing moved. Sorry if I sound a bit funny because I'm a bit sick. I got a bit cold. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please ask me down in the comments down below, and just let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions about my wig and where I get my wig, and then I'll just let you guys know, and blah 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 and blah blah blah. Okay, so that's it from me, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. I'll leave the links on this the description box of all my social media, so you can also follow me on social media, and give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Please give the video a big thumbs up. And yeah, so that's it for me, guys.